Paintless dent repair is a specialized technique aimed at repairing small dents on car bodies without the need for repainting. This method involves using precise tools and skills to gently reshape the damaged metal back to its original form. It's effective not only for hail damage and minor accidents, but also addresses various dents caused by different factors. The PDR process begins with assessing the dent's size, location, and accessibility to determine the best approach. Using specialized tools, technicians carefully manipulate the metal to restore its original shape without affecting the vehicle's paint. This meticulous process requires expertise to preserve the car's resale value and appearance. Compared to traditional methods, PDR stands out for its cost-effectiveness. Traditional repairs involve labor-intensive tasks like sanding, filling, and repainting, which drive up labor and material costs. In contrast, PDR requires fewer resources and less time, reducing both labor and material expenses significantly. This efficiency also minimizes the need for rental vehicles during repairs, making it a more economical choice overall. While PDR offers many benefits, it may not be suitable for dents with paint damage or sharp creases. Consulting with a PDR specialist is crucial to determine if this method is appropriate for your vehicle's damage. Despite its limitations, PDR remains a preferred option for car owners looking to restore their vehicles from minor dents efficiently and affordably while maintaining high-quality repair standards. If you need famous dent repair done, call Eric at 208-25-15338. That's 208-25-15338, or send email at eric@therateofgemstatepdr.com.